If you noticed a statement of the foreign minister, he said China is much more powerful than us. If China is much more powerful with us, how can I pick a fight with them?
So, when I hear Rahul Gandhi say, "Hamare jawano ki pitai hui in Yangtze, in Arunachal Pradesh," when actually we push back the Chinese. So you talk of pitai of your jawans. You have Revant Reddy questioning Balakot mein pata nahi hua, nahi hua. This running down your people, your system, your forces. This is a very, very sad thing. Then Rahul Gandhi and the Congress talk about a bridge in Pangong Tso in Ladakh. This bridge is being built at a place where the Chinese came in 1958 and then retook in 1962. So the Congress party is holding Modi responsible for Nehru's actions in 1949 and for Bhutto's actions in 1963. But apparently they have no culpability.